Hands up, hands
Ito
up.
namin yung area.
No move. Hands up, hands up.
First floor lang.
Hands up.
Oo.
Okay, don't close that. Don't close that. Okay? We're agents
Mahirap
of Bureau of
i-ano eh. Hanapin
Immigration,
yung may mga jacket.
Fugitive Search Unit. We're here. We have a mission order here issued by the
Diretso
Commissioner
lang,
of the
kaliwa.
Bureau of Immigration.
Walang
Okay,
kaliwa.
just cooperate, okay?
Ano bang ano dito? Ba't di kami nag-elevator? Diretso lang sa ulo.
Paso, sundin mo na lang bro. Sundin mo na lang.
Kaya may susundo sa inyo, balik kayo sa dati.
Okay, may Pilipino ba dito?
Ma'am, tayo ka ma'am. Pilipino ka. Pilipino. Ito, Pilipino.
Bro, dahil ikutin mo, video mo na yung mga ano nila.
Don't touch anything, okay? Don't touch anything. Don't move.
Korean? Are you Korean?
Don't move. I said don't move.
Okay. You have passport with you? Passport? You have the picture of your passport?
Pilipino.
Okay, you check. No calling ha? I just want to see the passport. Okay? Sino Pinoy dito? Walang maghahawak ng ano ha? Walang maghahawak ng keyboard dyan ha?
Walang magawa.
Walang hawak ng keyboard dyan ha?
Taas mo ng kamay yan.
Yeah. Show your passport.
手举起来，手举起来。